the origins, very ancient because it's a fat diet. A Greek physician called Hippocrates, I believe, he was treating people with epilepsy, and then he realized that when they removed the carbohydrates, the people just got better, and then they got them into fast, 30 days fasting. Well, it's a huge exercise, and that's what they used to treat epilepsy in the ancient world. This gets into the years of American doctors in the 1920s. They treat epileptic patients using ketogenic diet. But then they realized, well, we can't keep these people fasting for 30 days. So we need a diet that mimics fasting. This is the keto diet. It mimics fasting because there are no carbohydrates. There is no sugar. There is no sugar cravings. When you eat rice, you have sugar cravings. A very important detail is that when you go into your system, there are 3 levels of digestion. When you eat sugar, first you have glycogen. Okay, this is all Greek. Glycogen. I can't even type glycogen. This is when you feel fulfilled. It gives you an impression, and then it becomes insulin, pure sugar. So this happens in your liver. And then you have alcohol. So the bread, the pasta, everything will become alcohol. It burns your livers, it ferments. And that's why it's difficult if you are trying to heal yourself, either from a psychological, spiritual, or even biological condition. If you keep eating carbohydrates, it's too much stress in your system, okay? Stress, psychological stress, emotional stress. We're getting to the world of one of my favorite mentors here, Dr. Joe Dispenza. So cravings, glycogen, insulin. This is the modern diet. Why? Because when you go into a supermarket, for them to keep you going and returning to Starbucks and McDonald's and all these places, they just add sugar. Your cappuccino, frappuccino, they have sugar. Meat has sugar. But there is a problem with this. Let's go back to the 37. Female development starts around the age of 12. That's when it kickstarts. The level of testosterone goes very high at the age of 12 in females. And if the testosterone levels are high, the insulin doesn't really cause damage, okay? Because the testosterone levels are high, you are running, athletes, swimming, walking, always out. So there is no problem with that. In males, it's 40. From the age of 15 to the age of 40, the testosterone levels in males are very high. So eating sugar is not a big deal. Insulin, okay? It's not a big deal. The problem is in females, around the age of 33, 35, testosterone levels start to decrease. Okay, they decrease, and then if the levels of insulin remain high, that's why you develop metabolic disease. Metabolic disease will manifest itself as cancer and diabetes and all these things, right?